in achieving gender equity in the society. The women who were speaking during the celebrations to mark International Women's Day said despite the milestones that have been achieved, there is still much to be done to reach the desired levels. Nyeri celebrations were held at the Tetu Technical and Vocational Training Institute.
We have seen many women in education, any women, going to school, many women getting into employment, getting into leadership positions, and other spheres of life. But we are not yet there, and that is why we are calling on everybody, men, women, to join hands, because our theme is to accelerate action. We need to accelerate that action because we are not yet there. Actually, according to reports, the 5th generation from now is when we are going to get gender parity.
I would call all women that for those who don't have skills, let's empower ourselves because women are the backbone of the society. I would really request the government that when jobs are being given, women get an equal share, or at least women get representation in all government agencies and even in our workplace.
We need to see more women in leadership positions because we find that the two-third gender rule is still yet to be actualized. So we still urge and request the government to continue doing the same. We are seeing some improvements here and there, but we wish to see it done and implemented fully so that we can have equality in our society and equality in our nation.
It is very important to have these courses tailor-made for young women, especially young women, because they're the ones who are suffering out here. And of course, to make sure that we have courses for these young women who undergo gender-based violence, because for them to be resilient, they have to be empowered. They need to have courses.
Hoping it's still all right to wish you a happy International Women's Day. And of course, we are forging forward to achieving the gender equity. News Desk takes a short break once again, but Kelly Boss is on the other studio ready with business news.